Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Siri shortcuts to the Kenya Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the My Trips button down below, which is the third option. And after that, click on Add to Siri, so that you are going to find the phrase here. Hey Siri, show first upcoming trip. So if you say this phrase to Siri, it will open the Kenya Airways application and show your upcoming trip on the application. If you would like to change this phrase, you should click on the record phrase button down below and then tell your new customized phrase to Siri. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.